What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Chloe here, and for today's video, you would know by the title, is an unboxing. I am so excited. I will be unboxing this package that I got from none other than TheDollcircle here on YouTube. I am super excited to get into this, but before we get started, make sure to go ahead and like, make sure to go ahead and comment, and make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I am so close to 100 subscribers. I'm almost there. We can make it. I know we can make it. So please subscribe to support my channel. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So, little backstory. If you watch TheDollcircle's videos, then you would know that a while back she posted a two-part kind of little thing where she was unboxing some Bratz dolls and accessories that she got gifted from someone who was getting rid of their collection. And oh my god, you guys, I saw those videos and I was shook to the core. And oddly enough, you know, I don't like to be that person, but I like to shoot my shot, and I messaged her, you guys, and I was like, hey, if you're planning to sell any of the items, let me know. I am interested. There was one particular item that I will show you guys that I was really interested in because I had been looking for this item forever. And if you guys know about scalpers, you know these scalpers do not hesitate to price things really expensive. So I was hoping that maybe because she's a doll collector, she would understand and I could get a good price for it. But by the size of the box, you know that it wasn't just that one item. So I just want to thank Elvira because she is the sweetest, kindest person that I have ever met. So of course, she was the sweetest and kindest person when I reached out to her, and she was like, sure, let me know what you want and I'll get it to you. So we got on Instagram and we did video chat, and we were on there for 5 hours, which I apologize, Elvira, if you're watching this. I am so sorry. Like, we just got carried away, but I had so much fun. I love talking about dolls. So needless to say, I saw everything I wanted and I ended up picking out a lot of items, and Elvira was so freaking sweet. She told me to just pay shipping and she was more than happy to send it my way, and I cannot thank you enough, Elvira. This was a birthday present, so thank you so much, Elvira, and happy early birthday to me. My birthday is on August 14th, and she, oh my god, you guys, she is the sweetest. So let's kick off this birthday celebration opening this package because I've talked way too much. So I'm gonna start with the dolls because I didn't think I was gonna get dolls, but then I did, and then I got the dolls I wanted, and then I got more. So package is already open. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull them out. So I did end up getting this Funk Out Chloe. I am so excited. I cannot wait to make over all these dolls. I also got the Midnight Dance Chloe. I'm pretty sure that's who they are. If not, let me know down below if you know who they are. This is the, I believe, Safari, Wild Safari. This is the Wild Safari Megan, and oh my god, you guys, these dolls are everything. These dolls are everything. I also got a Cameron. I believe this is the first wave Cameron, if I'm not mistaken. So I ended up getting Phoebe and Roxy from the OG first twins. Oh, I'm so excited. And then finally, I ended up getting this Sasha, which I believe is from the sleepover line, and she is wearing her sleepover outfit, and I am just so excited, you guys. Those were the dolls. Now let's get into the goods. So originally, and I will show you guys what I'm talking about, I was only supposed to get one item, but I kind of got carried away. Yeah, I got this huge Ziploc bag, and I kind of feel bad because I feel like I was being a little too greedy and just picking out stuff, especially because she gifted to me and I know she wanted to sell some of the stuff. But here are some of my favorite items that I got. I can't show you guys everything because this video will be a million years long, so I will pick out some of my favorite items and show them to you guys, starting with these three little brats. Of course, I got a Chloe, I got a Cameron, and I believe this is Yasmin. It could also be Sasha, but I don't know. I just thought they were so cute. I had to have them. I had to have them. And oh my god, there's just so much, you guys. I don't even know where to start. I think I'm gonna start with the item that started it all. So the item that I really, really wanted, and the reason I did all of this, and the reason this happened was for this little piggy plush. This is from the Bratz Slumber Party Chloe, and when I tell you I have wanted this for the longest, and it is the most expensive thing in the world to get because of scalpers, I am not lying. I really wanted this, and she was more than happy to gift it to me, and I am just so happy, you guys. I am just so happy. Honestly, I could have just gotten this, and I would have been happy, but Elvira, you are everything. You guys need to go subscribe to her channel if you haven't done so already. I did end up picking out a lot of clothes because I am insane. So I am just gonna go ahead and show you guys my favorite clothing pieces. There is a little bit of everyone in here. So we do have some like Mycene clothes. I got most of the pajamas. I think I got all of them. I could be wrong. I did get all of the pajamas because, guys, I even got the mini pajamas. Oh my god, there's just so much. So much. I don't even know where to start. I got so many pajamas, and of course, I also ended up getting some cute little dresses. I got some cute little jackets. Is this not the cutest thing ever? It's the same jacket but miniature. Oh my god, you guys, I'm insane. So I mainly got these Slumber Party items, as you guys can tell by these. So I also ended up getting a ton of tiny bags. And guys, these are just everything. Like, come on now. Come on now. These are like everything. These are everything. I am just so many bags. And then another thing that I got that I was like, I want them all. I want them all. Were these sneakers. Can you guys see them? And the slippers. So I was like, I want all the slippers. I want all the sneakers because you can never have enough sneakers. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite purses. I don't know who it belongs to. Could be Bratz, could be Barbie, could be Mycene. But it is this plastic purse, right? And then there's a little latch here. And if you pull it up, it opens. What the actual fuck? What the actual fuck? This is everything. I got some cute little luggage. I also got this really cool Barbie dress, and oh, this is everything. Here are some more of my favorite things. So I also ended up getting one of these little phones from the Slumber Party line. I did get these Mycene heels because I just think these are so awesome. I don't know. I thought they were really cool. And then I also got this cute little piggy charm. And this goes to the Winter Wonderland Chloe. And oh my god, you guys, there's just so much. I wish I could show you guys every single little cute detail that she sent me. But I am just so happy. I will insert an overview of all of the things that I got from her because honestly, you guys, it's a lot. It really is. I think I went a little too extreme. It's just a lot. It is a lot. I'm just glad that she gifted it to me and she was kind enough and she knew that I was such a diehard Bratz fan that she was willing to gift me all of this. And of course, for my birthday, it means a lot to me. It really does mean a lot to me, and I hope she knows that. So that was everything that I got from Elvira, the Doll Circle, here on YouTube. And again, a huge thank you to you, Elvira. You are the sweetest, most kindest person that I know. It is insane that you were able to gift me all of this, and girl, thank you so much. I honestly owe you big time. So if you haven't checked out the Doll Circle here on YouTube, please do check them out. Links will be in the description, so definitely check that out. Also, go check out my Chloe look because I have been posting some cool Chloe looks. I dressed up as my Chloe, so definitely check that out. But until next time, goodbye, my angels.